Hey guys, so I made it to the gym. We're about to get started, so I'm gonna put the camera somewhere here to film. So just got back from the gym and I had this little missy up waiting for me, babe. Yeah, so I got her dressed and we're about to do her hair. She always wakes up with crazy hair. Oh, I think she's waiting for me to give her her toothbrush. She is obsessed with brushing her teeth. Of course, she just plays with the toothbrush, but okay. She doesn't like me doing it, but you gotta brush your teeth. Abre la boca. Cepilla los dientes. No, no, no. Abre la boca. A ver, Emily, abre los dientes. Mira. Muy bien. Yes. A ver, una vez más. Muy bien. Muy bien. Okay, thanks. Now I just let her do it on her own. I haven't even drank water because as soon as I got in, she was up. Of course, I gotta get her going first. Her hair is growing so much. Bow on her because she's wearing blue. Ay, qué chula niña de mami. Qué chula niña de mami. A ver. Hola, Emily. Hola, Emily. A ver, enséñales. Enséñales tu monito, mira. Wow, qué linda niña. Wow, qué linda niña. Dame besito. 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 ¿No? ¿No quieres besito? Dame besito. Qué rico besito. It's such a rainy day outside. You can tell. It's all wet. Emily's little pool is full of water. Right now I'm about to make me something for breakfast because I'm getting hungry. I did buy me a new like infuser bottle. It's right here. Put it in the freezer before I went to work out. And I just love, love, love it. I love putting lemon in it because obviously that helps with my bloatness, but it's so good, so refreshing. I think I'm gonna make me some oatmeal and some papaya, and I need to edit this vlog already, so I don't know. I think I have a lot of footage, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and like start editing. I don't know if this is gonna be part of that vlog or another vlog, because like I said, I have a lot of footage. So we'll just see where this footage ends up in. But yeah. I also put some chicken to defrost. With this weather, it makes me want to eat some chicken soup. So yeah, that's probably what I'm going to be making later for lunch. And yeah guys, I will see y'all in a little while. Okay guys, so I just finished filming this makeup look right here. Love it so much. It's going to come very soon, so just keep an eye out for it. It's probably going to be before this vlog though, so if it is, I will link it down below, and if it's not, then you know, you'll be seeing it in future videos. But right now we are working on installing some, well, my hubby's working on installing some like outside lights so we can have in the patio area out there. Yeah, so it can look really pretty. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Emily is probably gonna be napping for a while right now, and I want to work out, but I don't know. Emily.
This is how you know enough to hold the lamp. 0, right? Voltage. 120 volts.
Oh shit.
This is the good one.
I got my in-home electrician. We ain't gotta hire no one, right, babe?
I ain't paying nobody.
Esa gordita está pesada, mamá. Te amo, mamá, te amo. Get a bit of papa. She wants to see her daddy work. Hey guys. So, let me turn on the music. So we are currently heading to my hometown, Bay City. Yeah, so we're heading to Bay City because it's one of my best friends' gender reveal. We get to find out finally if she's gonna have a boy or a girl. So her theme is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but she's doing it kind of like turquoise and purple theme. So this is the eye look that I did, inspired by her gender reveal. And I'm wearing turquoise. It was supposed to be purple for girl and turquoise for boy. I'm like low-key team girl, but I didn't have a purple shirt, so we're gonna go team boy. Emily did have a purple shirt, so she's gonna be team girl for me, and we'll see what she ends up having. I'm just excited to like find out finally what she's gonna have, because my Emily needs a little friend. If not, she needs a little boyfriend. So, but yeah, that's what we're up to, guys.
Oh, it's a.
Oh, it's a girl.
It's a girl.
It's a girl!
It's a girl.
Hey guys, long time no talk. I literally haven't vlogged since the weekend. Since the gender reveal, yeah, it's Saturday, so today is Monday, it's Memorial Day. We haven't been doing much today. We didn't have any like Memorial Day plans or anything because it feels like it was such a crazy, hectic weekend. But I am cooking some, oh fuck, I think my pasta got stuck. I'm cooking some pasta with, the hell are these called? Zucchini, yeah, and some pork chops. I did wake up today and I wanted to film because I wanted to open my influencer box. So that video will be up probably before this one. So if you haven't checked it out, the link will be down below. And what else? What else did I film? Oh yeah, I filmed a live video on my Facebook. My Facebook is at 92LIVMakeup if you want to go check out that live for this makeup look right here. I did it red, kind of like Memorial Day inspired. I love how it turned out. So cute. It's like a gold and red halo eye. And that's Emily. She's saying hello. Not really, but y'all know what's up. Emily, please go over there, mamá. Te vas a quemar. No, váyase para allá. Váyase para allá, por favor. ¡Ah, tu madre! Váyase para allá. Adiós. Bye. But yeah, I just wanted to say hi. I hope y'all are having a nice Memorial Day. I'm sure you're at the beach. That's what everybody's doing today because of this freaking hot weather. I was not gonna go to the beach. It's too hot and there's just too many people. Like, well, I like to go to the beach when it's kind of like lonely. It's quiet, relaxing, you know? But yeah, anyway, I'll let y'all go because I need to get to finish cooking and maybe I'll check back with y'all later. Okay, peace.